All right, gotta go to Chick-fil-A, gotta get to work. So open the M4. We got Corey in the passenger seat right now, but let's see this. And it starts up. There we go, stock exhaust. We got the CSL lights on right now, as you can see that. But let us just put on the seatbelt. All right. All right, let's pop it in reverse. Apparently we gotta hold it. I did not know that about the M4, but
CSL's so clean.
I know.
She wants 130 for it.
That's not bad, because the CSLs, they actually costed a lot more than that.
They were selling for 180 at the time. She wants 130 for it. It's really not bad. Only 50K more than what this is.
Yeah, we got the new 5 Series over there.
Yeah.
It doesn't look bad in the flesh. I like that design a lot more than the M Sport, but it is what it is. I don't know where the heck my head strap went. Like, I really don't know. It just like disappeared out of my thing. Now I gotta wear this stupid. I'm trying to make it look more like, you know, up here.
Yeah.
But... all right, I think we can go now. Come on, traffic. I hate submitting traffic so much. And then they're redoing the entire road, so like, let's put it into manual mode. Bro, shut up.
It's K-Ban. It's not even a cop.
I know.
That's a cop.
Oh. Dude, it's just like having a whole I can't say it on YouTube. Otherwise people are gonna get so offended. People get so offended so easily nowadays. But
oh, I know.
This car, I drove it earlier to the gym. I made a video about it. This one's gonna go up after, I'm pretty sure. But we drove it to the gym. We got a good workout in. But driving to the gym and to here to the BMW dealership, we just saw the CSL, the 3.0 CSL, and the new M4 CSL. But this thing feels really, really like calm. It's so weird actually driving this and how much it feels, you know, like similar to a regular car. But then when you actually send it, it just hooks up so well.
It's got so much power, but it's such a sleeper build.
Exactly. Except it doesn't look like a sleeper, obviously. This thing will snore everything on the road.
Oh yeah. Those snack packs will be slacking.
I love shifting with the little shifter in the middle. I don't know why I just hit my drink, but come on, I need an area to, you know, send it. Then we got the CSL taillights going on too. That's gonna look just straight up beautiful, because I don't know how BMW got that thin of an LED into an actual production car, but it's just straight up gorgeous.
You should have gotten her to unlock the CSL so we can see the CSL taillights.
Bruh.
I didn't think about it.
I mean, I've already seen it before in real life a few times.
I've never seen it, so that's why I was...
You haven't?
No, I should have gotten her to unlock it so I could see it.
Well, you're getting it in like, who knows, 2 days, something like that.
Yeah. But still, just see it before.
Yeah, I know. I'm telling you, no other hypercar looks better than those taillights.
Yeah.
Or the taillights of a hypercar. There's just something about the CSL taillights that just... Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The first time I saw it, I was just taking pictures of just the taillights for 30 minutes straight. I'm so serious about it. Now you can look through my camera roll from last November, and then it was just straight up CSL taillights, and that was it.
You don't see many M4s with CSL taillights on it, ever.
I know. To find a place where I can actually send it. If I don't get to send it, then I'm gonna just lay out the videos on top of this or something like that. Because I have a feeling, because like we're at 40 miles an hour right now. Obviously actually is under the speed limit over here. Savannah drivers are just ridiculously slow, so.
It's almost getting off of work traffic, so like you're...
Yeah, you're right. It's almost 4 o'clock. Dude, I'm supposed to be changing right now. All right, let's see if we can go over here on the right. There we go. That's a little something. Just seeing how the little red line sounds. 7,400 RPM. Why is my turn signal still on?
Because you clicked it.
I forgot about that.
Hey man, when you hear that sound of the BMW, you think something's wrong. You're not supposed to use blinkers.
Yeah, exactly. But like, you know, I'm a good boy. Ish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you say yes, sir. Like, I don't do anything bad, obviously. We're going to work. We're working men. See? We're good.
Got a nice gym session in that you're working.
Yeah, exactly. We're balanced young men driving an M4 Competition. But the whole interior layout of this thing feels pretty nice, but I really don't like the new screen. You know what I'm talking about, the iDrive 8.
Oh,
it just looks so bad.
piece.
This thing just looks so much more clean, and you have the actual buttons everywhere. Not everything is controlled by one little screen.
And you don't get fingerprints everywhere too.
Exactly. But the new steering wheels though, I freaking love them. Like the i5 steering wheel, the i7 steering wheel, where it has like the hollowed out ones. This one has a lot of like leather-ish plastic on it, which I don't really like. Those shifts are kind of, you know, jerky. I'm glad that they actually, like, you know, program some shifting feel into the car, because obviously with the torque converter 8-speed ZF 8-speed gearbox, it's not going to be, you know, like the old dual clutch which just shoved you in the back even though it was a dual clutch.
Yeah.
But like, it's good to have it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go on the left because why are they braking? Okay, we're gonna go over here. Come on. I don't want to make this video so boring.
You're not going to get any worse than this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I know. I mean, unless we went that way. If we went that way, we could have opened it up just a little bit, but...
Cops usually sit back there, though.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can go this way on the right. I have to be on the right anyway. Yeah.
Dude, they have the new Nissan Z in there, the Nismo one.
The Nismo in here?
Yeah, they have it in there.
No shot.
And they want 90,000 for it.
90 grand is crazy.
For a Z.
Like, you can get a whole M4 for this, like a fully loaded one, even extra, I think.
You can get a fully built M4 for 90,000.
Okay, the stock exhaust doesn't sound as bad now that we're at like high speeds. Bro, it's raining. You kidding me? Savannah weather is so bipolar, it just makes me so mad.
Yup.
Alright, I'm gonna go on the left already. Dude, they are driving so slow. Ah! Alright, let's turn into here. See how good the handling is.
It's perfection.
Yeah. Like, watch this. Watch this. It's so fun for no reason.
Yeah.
Oh, here we'll do it a little bit more. He's just in the passenger seat, just like, here, just stop over here. I have 3 minutes to get changed, so we're kind of in a rush. Here, you know what? Even though we're in a rush, we can just...
Something.
I mean, that's the best we could do. I'm just gonna overlay the clips because early. Okay, don't go.
Bro,
Don't go. Don't go.
I just saw a blonde girl walk in the door.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now we can turn into Chick-fil-A. This truck won't hit us because he's in the middle of the lane. There we go. And we can't park in the handicap spot because, you know, we're good boys.
Want to bet?
I mean, we can park right there actually. There we
That's
go.
a tight fit. That's a really tight fit.
Pause. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. See, I didn't hit nothing. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy.
You're about to hit that.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
There we go. Just reverse a little bit. See, we're good.
Put it in park.
Yeah.
There you go.
See, I'm a good kid. All right, now I gotta change for work. The video's over. All right, bro, turn it off. You gonna order something though?
I'll get something yet.
Okay, okay. All right, here we go. And we gotta get this open. Gotta get the worst stuff out. Close the trunk. Bro, I've been filming a video this entire day.
Are you filming one now?
Yeah.
Please subscribe lol, I have big dreams on YouTube.